Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be taking a look at the V1 Think Chair with a mesh back and what to do if the mesh back has been detached from the frame here in the middle. As you can see, this one is installed in flush here. This one is out and not attached in the middle. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's take a look at exactly what's going on here. And so when we see where this is unattached here and it comes right away, you can see that there's a little plastic clip here. And what we're doing is we're gonna need to install that in this upside down L shape here. There's just a kind of a cutout here, and that's what this clip grabs onto. The L-shaped portion is going to allow this clip to go in, so you're gonna need to line it up into the horizontal portion of this clip. And then you're going to push it in and you should be kind of slide it into place, and you can see now we're clipped back in place and that's not going anywhere. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on how to reattach the back on your V1 Think Chair. If you found this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us at our website, crandalloffice.com, our Facebook page, or anywhere else that you can reach us. We're always here to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.